Hello, this is Jesse from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. In the software, you have the ability to send out a broadcast email or an email blast to your customers, distributors, or administrators that you have registered in the software. Now, as far as we know, we could go ahead and create our own templates, which is more of a design for the newsletter, or you could use one of our different templates that we have that will come deployed in your software. Now, as soon as you save your changes for your template and you push it to the publisher, you need to make sure that your newsletter template is fully published. Now, on this page, I'm going to show you how you are able to publish your newsletter templates. So the first thing we need to do is go under the menu company. We go to newsletter management, and then we click on publish newsletter template. So once you're on the page, you can search for the newsletter template so it can be published by author or by date range. Usually you want to simplify your life by clicking on the date range, whether you're going to select today, yesterday, current week, current month, last week, last month, or a custom range. So that way you can set the date to start and to end, so that way you can find your newsletter template. Or you could change the records per page to the highest and then pretty much just publish your template here. Now let's say that we're going to go ahead and publish basic template 3. Right now we see version 1 and version 2. So the one that we want to publish is version 2. Now let's say that before we even publish the newsletter template, we want to see a quick preview without having to go back to the newsletter template list. So you need to click right on the newsletter template name, and it's going to show you somewhat of a preview of what the newsletter template will appear. So even though this is a simple and basic template, this is what's going to show the administrator how it's going to appear. Now, even though we're seeing a lot of mail merge variables, this is not going to be presented to the group that you're going to send the newsletter. The actual information, such as the company name, the address, phone number, etc., will actually display the real data. So this is only for the admin view. Okay, so now we could go ahead and click back. And then if we're ready to publish version 2 for basic template 3, we could go across here under publish, and then we're going to click on publish newsletter. Now here, because I'm using Google Chrome, the pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to publish the selected newsletter? If you're certain, you click on OK. If not, you click on cancel. Now, once I click on OK, the message here, published successfully, will appear. Now, in most cases, you will want to create and publish different versions, and you could discard them. For example, I want to discard version 1 here for basic template 3. That way it no longer appears here on the list. So it's only going to discard the version that I clicked on push to publisher, but it's not going to discard any of the changes within the newsletter template. So once I click on discard, it's going to ask me again if I want to discard this version of the newsletter template. And my version 1 of the basic template 3 is now discarded. And this is how you're able to publish your newsletter templates, which is the design that's going to be wrapped around the actual newsletter when it comes to sending out an email blast to either your customers, your distributors, or administrators. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at multisoft.bestdarncrm.com.